Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to post Facebook groups automatically using a program. This program is created by us and this is how we open. I will provide a link to this program in the description below. Once you open the program, you can see this command prompt, and after some time you will see this. If you open this software for the first time, it might take some time. Once it is open, you can minimize this, but make sure you should not close this. I have done another video on how you can post. If you find this method difficult, you can always go to my channel. Here you can see this is the link, and from when you go to here, and if you scroll down a little bit, you can see here this project. In 2 months I have got 4K views for this video also, but some people find this one difficult and it is not working for them. That's why I have decided to do one, but that is very simpler, but you can achieve the same thing. And the important thing is that in this you can even post images, as you can select image or video you want, but these things might not work. Suppose Facebook might have minimum, like you can upload 100 image, and if you are selecting 200 it might not work. Or if you are if you are selecting unsupported version of the image also, it might not work. But this program is much simpler than the previous one, but if you prefer, you can go for the previous one or this one. In each of the video in the description you can see the link to download this software. So once you download it, you can see here this groups.txt. In here you have to paste the groups you want to post, and make sure that each link starts with www or mobile.facebook.com. So once the program started, you can see it is saying here, before you do anything, make sure to start the progress. So let's click start. Once you click start, and once it started, this button will disappear. So you can see in here, this is going to the Facebook's login page of the mobile version. We are using mobile version because it is easy, and once I have done this, it won't change and create much problems, because the web version of the Facebook is changing regularly. So in here, first thing I will do is, like we have said, make sure you are login before proceeding. So I will write my credentials and log into the Facebook. So I have enabled two-factor authentication, that's why it is showing this. I will approve this login from my mobile, so I can log in successfully. For you, this might not ask if you have not enabled two-factor authentication. So once loaded, I will click on this button and go here, and I will show you where you can see all of the groups you have joined. You should not use the same link I am using, because you might not have the permission to write in the groups I have provided in this groups.txt. So you have to go here and click on the post or the group that you want, and you can go here and copy the link from here and open this groups.txt and add comma to the end and paste this, and make sure you remove this part from the link and save. Now this is how it should be. For the last one you don't need to write the comma, but for every other links you have to write the comma, and it should be a Facebook group link which start with www or mobile. And make sure you have the Chrome, otherwise this program might not work, and internet connection is also required. So again, back to this program. Now we have login to the Facebook. It doesn't matter in which page you are, but you have to make sure you have successfully logged into the facebook.com. So I will write load group and I will select that this group file, and you can see in here it says 4 group loaded, because in this text file there is 4 groups, so these 4 groups are loaded. So I will select, go to image, and in here you can select the type of the image, but I'm going to go with JPG, and I will select this 2 image for now. And here is the text that you want to write in this post, so I will write hello, I'm testing Facebook automation for group posting. Once you write that, you can open this and this, and you can write post to group. Once you click post to group, you should not click anything on this window, this program, any button. Wait for it to finish, even though if it is in not responding or any state. If you want, you can click here and watch it, and you can see once it will go to page and it will automatically do everything. It will even add the to image that we have decided, and it will wait for 5 seconds and it will post. So this way Facebook won't block your account for spamming Facebook, or they will create some problem if you do it too fast. That's why I have waited here for 5 seconds, and you can see here I have successfully posted the image in this group, and here is the text I have written to post. So it is again going to the another link. So in that link again, this it will scroll down and write a new post, and you can see it is doing the same thing but automatically. So this will save a lot of time for the people who you are using Facebook groups for promoting. If you feel this method difficult, make sure to watch my other video from my channel and see how I am doing these things in that video. So that you might think that is easy, for some this might be easy, but I think this is more easy and faster also. And with this you can easily select image. In the other video you might not be select the exact image, but with this the exact image is selecting and it is working. So let's just finish for this to stop. Now the program has finished, but you have to wait for this button to become as this color. You can see now this both button are in same color, so you can click this and it is finished. You might not see the confirm message saying it is finished, but when these two buttons become the same color, it means the program is finished. And you can see this is the latest link we put here, and you can see this is posted, and you might not feel this like it is posted, or you might not know that because of the mobile version. So I'm going to open this in the web version. Now you can close this and this terminal also, because everything is done, right? So in here under logs you can see the logs for the file, and if you want you can delete or do anything, and here you can see it says it has processed that link. So I will open these two links in the web version in here. So this is a public group, and sometimes you might not see it here because they sometimes need to approve the post, so it might not show here until the admin of the group has approved the post. As you can see, this group has very fewer posts, and it is always about the did you know, so they might not approve the post, so you might not see it here. But let's go to this group. And in this group, if you scroll down here, you can see my post is posted on this group. Hello, I am testing Facebook automation for group posting. And you can see here the two images we selected is posted to this group. If you want, you can go to this group and check if it is there or not. So if you don't want the mobile version, from web version you can change here to www. And if you scroll down in here, you can see there the same image or the same post is posted with the both of the images. So this is Facebook automation software, and you can download this one freely. I will provide the link in the description, and yes, it will contain the description link, it will contain some ads to support the channel. So if you have any difficulty downloading the program, make sure to comment it so I can help, and I will add a video that will show the steps of the download step by step. I hope this video is helpful, and if it is helpful, please go to my YouTube channel and subscribe to the channel for the upcoming tutorials like this. Hope you had a good time. Thank you.